Okay, today I'm talking about the data types. It is the next chapter, and the data types have different data types: number data types, string data types, list data types, tuple data types, and dictionary. These are the data types, as you know, and you are also familiar about the number data types. When we are talking about this literals, and at that time we have to talk about the integers and booleans, floating point, and its different categories. We already discussed, right? And we also discuss about the complex number also. What is the complex number and how it is working. Okay, I also retrospect on today also how you have to write on the statement. As you know, this is the Python prompt and you are going to write on the statement, how you are writing the statement, and you have to write up a statement just like of the p equal to 0 plus 4.5j. Suppose you have the writing on this manner. If the value is assigned there and you want to display the data through this, and you have a Python prompt and you type of p and enter the p, then after that you are finding the result is 4.5g. You are finding on the result. Okay, next complexity on here. This is I'm talking about the complex number. Okay, so we have to write about this and the result comes here. Okay, next one we have to write the statement just like of suppose c equal to 10.5 plus 10.02j. Suppose I am writing on this statement. As you know, the value is assigned of the c, and you are going to display on the data and enter this key. So enter the c and type the c and then enter the c. When you have to enter the c, you are finding the result. What the result come? 10.5 plus 10.0.2j. The statement is displayed in front of you. Okay, suppose you have to use a different method, just like, and you have to use the print command, print and type inside the curly bracket and parenthesis in a small bracket. You have to type, and what is the result? It's display the same result, 10.5 plus 10.0.2j. It's a display there. Okay, this is this things related to the complex number, and as you know, the integer and boolean and floating point, these things we already discussed in the previous chapter now. So I'm going to discuss next topic. These things we already discussed with you in the next chapter in detail, just like of the list, and it is the chapter, and tuple have also, in the dictionary have it's also discussed in a detailed in the next chapters also. I just show you the glance, only the view of these things. As you know, the string, how to have to write the string. A equal to, suppose you have to write Mohit, as you know, this is a string, how you are writing, and you have to assign the value inside of there. Suppose it is your Python prompt and you have to write on there A equal to Mohit, and you press the enter key, and after that you are finding the result is A after pressing the enter key, and you find the Mohit, which value is inside of the A, and it's a display. Okay, this is which things inside of the single quotation or double quotation, it is called of the string. तो ये क्या होता है? String है, string के डबल कोटेशन या सिंगल कोटेशन के अंदर जो चीज रहती है वो स्ट्रिंग कहलाती है, as you know. And now we are going the next topic. It is string, and we have to make up many program related on the string in the previous chapter also. Today the new things come with you, and its name is list. How you have to make the list? At first you write of variable name, as you know, at required of variable, and equal sign you always use. Start of big bracket, and you write at first a, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. So you have to make a list. Okay, it is the method of list where you are using only the integer number. जहाँ पे आप क्या करते हैं? Integer number का use करते हैं. And the same thing, suppose you want to make a list in a string form. So how you have to make? And you write at first a. You use of double quotation or single quotation, A and B and C. So you have to make the list in a string forms list. In place of C, suppose you want to write up more than one letter, so you have to write up. Suppose you write at first Amit, then comma, then Ajay, then comma, you have to write of Kavita, and okay, you have to close this. So through this way you are making the list. Okay, next one, suppose you want to make the mixed list. Make the okay, how you have to write in? At first you have to write up 1, 2, 3, suppose you have to write A, then you have to write up B. Okay, this is the method to making on the list in mixed way. These are the integer values and these are the string values. This is the mixed way of method, and how you represent and how you display the information. This is the normal way. As you know, these things you have to write in the Python prompt or a script mode. You have to write on the textual way. So the both of options you have. You write in the script mode or you write in the prompt mode, means command mode. अगर command mode में आप इस चीज को लिख रहे हैं तो ये साइन आपका दिखाई देगा इस तरह का. तो इस साइन के आगे आप ऐसे टाइप करते हुए चले जा रहे हैं तो आपको ये चीजें क्या हो रही है, ये इट्स असाइन द वैल्यू इनसाइड ऑफ ए, दिस वैल्यू असाइन द बी एंड दिस वैल्यू असाइन ऑफ सी एंड दिस वैल्यू असाइन द डी के अंदर स्टोर हो रहा है. तो नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ यू डिस्प्ले द डेटा, हाउ यू डिस्प्ले द डेटा. एंड सपोज यू आर इन द पाइथन प्रॉम्प्ट एंड यू हैव टू राइट आउट, suppose you are writing up the print, and after that you print of A and press the enter key. When you press the enter key, as you know, the result will comes in front of you. What the result is there, and the result display, it's display the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's display in the entire result. Okay, this is a way to display the entire information. So today I only talk about the list. First one, the data types. As you know, these are the data types: number, string, list, tuple, dictionary. I only talk about the three options today: number, and the next one is string, and third one is list. The new things comes to your in front of you. This thing is list. List है. इस list को आप बनाओगे कैसे? सबसे पहले आप वेरिएबल का नाम लिखोगे, इक्वल साइन यूज करोगे, बड़े ब्रैकेट का यूज करोगे, उसके बाद नंबर्स को इस तरह से लिखते चले जाओगे 1 2 3 4 5 so on, many numbers if you want to enter inside the list, and you have to write the detailed things. We already we will talk in the next chapter. हम next chapter में पूरा लिस्ट के बारे में पूरी डिटेल से 1 by 1 बात करेंगे. अभी हम सिर्फ एक इसका व्यू आपके सामने रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. We only represent the view only, how you are to make the list. लिस्ट कैसे बनाओगे? पहली चीज हमने नंबर को लेकर लिस्ट बनाई, दूसरी हमने बनाई एक स्ट्रिंग को लेकर, तीसरी हमने ग्रुप ऑफ, ये भी स्ट्रिंग से रिलेटेड है लेकिन इसमें मोर देन वन कैरेक्टर हम यूज कर रहे हैं. ये डी हमने बनाई मिक्स लिस्ट, किस तरीके से बनेगी, एंड हाउ यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट ऑन योर इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड इट इज द नॉर्मल वे. सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट और यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट ऑफ द डी ऑप्शन. So you press the print option, then small bracket, inside you write the name of list. The name of list is D, and when you have to press the enter key, and you are finding the result is 1, 2, 3, and then after that A and B. It's display there. ये पूरा आपका यहाँ इस तरीके से दिखाई देगा.